Welcome student. Today we study the rocks. In diagram we see the how is rock formation. There is a petrology is the science of rock which forms the earth crust. Petrology is like as a pedology and it is consist of petrography which is deals the description of rocks and its formation and origin of rocks. The rock may be defined as a hard mass of mineral matter comprising of two or more rock forming minerals, that is known as a rock. And on the other hand, rock may be also defined as a aggregate mass of minerals. Aggregate mass of minerals is known as a rock. Some rocks are hard and compact, that is the granite and basalt, and other rocks are loose and feebly or weakly arranged, such as sandstone and loose sand. So that in diagram we see the rocks formation of rocks process. There is a rocks are classified into three classes. Number one, igneous rock. Number second, sedimentary rocks, and number third one is the metamorphic rock. Igneous rock, Latin word ignis means the fire, and so that igneous rock is also derived concept. These igneous rocks are the first to be formed with the molten mass of cooled and consolidated in solid rock. They are also known as a primary rock. They are non-laminar, massive structure and make up near about 95% of earth crust by the igneous rock. So these rocks are firstly from, so it is also known as the oldest rock, for example granite and basalt rock. Granite and basalt rock is known as a igneous or primary rock. The igneous rocks are also classified into two groups, that is the plutonic rock. These rocks are formed by the slow cooling of molten magma deep in earth crust. The surface is known as a plutonic rock, for example granite. These rocks are vertically consolidated in vertical cracks and form wall-like structure which is known as or in diagram we see the dikes. The irregular and narrow cracks are formed deposited by molten material which is known as veins. Then the number second class is the volcanic rock. Volcanic rock, these rocks are formed when molten mass poured out on the surface of earth and where it is consolidated on cooling, that is known as a basalt rock. That is known as a basalt rock. So second one type is the sedimentary rock. The sedimentary rock are formed from the sediments which is derived from the breaking down of pre-existing rocks. That means pre-existing rocks are also break down or make changes. That time sedimentary rocks are formed. The sediments are transported to new places and deposited in a new arrangement, and It is looks like as a cemented, bind as a cemented and form secondary rocks. The most common feature of these rocks are they are also, that is the sandstone, dolomite, shale, quartzite are the example of sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks are also classified in different groups on the basis of their formation mode. There is a number 1, siliceous rock. These rocks are also from organic origin, have formed from the part of minute plants and animals. Then the precipitated rocks. These rocks are mainly deposit or form as rock masses either by cooling or evaporation or direct chemical precipitation, for example oxides and sulfates. Then the carbonaceous rock. These rocks are formed decomposing vegetation under the anaerobic condition, that is the coal, lignite are the example. So next one is the metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock, the igneous rock and sedimentary rock. After their formation, they undergoes the considerable change known as a metamorphosis, and the rock formed by metamorphism is known as a metamorphic rock. The metamorphosis process is the brought about action of water, heat, pressure, or combine of action of any two. That time metamorphic rocks are formed. For example, marble from limestone, lateritic rock from granite, and slate rock from the shale. These are the examples of metamorphic rock. So the rocks are formed by the cooling and consolidation of molten magma on the Earth's surface. Each rock characterized spatially, that is the structure, the color, then the gravity and minerals which rocks are made up. So with the help of this rock formation process, there are pedologists are also study the minerals which are dominated by the rock, that the igneous rock, that is it is also classified as acid rock. Silicate oxides are more than 65%. For example, that is the granite and rhyolite rocks are the example of acid rock. Basic rock, that is silicate oxides are below 55% contained in that rock. That is the example of basalt rock or gabbro rock. Then the intermediate rock, that is the subacid rock. silicate oxides are near about 60 to 65%, and subbasic intermediate rock, that is the silicate oxides are contained in that rock, that is the 55 to 60%. So student, we study the rock formation and how is rock formed by different process. So in next video, in next lecture, we study the weathering of rocks. So here we study the rock formation process, and there are different types of rock which information should be known for our study. So thank you student, we meet in our next video and next topic.